Can we delete someone's Instagram account permanently? So for that, let's head over to Instagram first. And once you open up Instagram, if you're trying to go ahead and delete someone's Instagram account, unfortunately you cannot do it. Only the real owner of the personal account can manage and delete. So if you are the owner of your own account, all you gotta do is tap on your profile in the bottom right. And after tapping on it, you may head over to the top right and tap on three horizontal lines, and a menu appears. Now from the given menu, go to Account Center, and after going to Account Center, you may go to Personal Details, and here you should be finding an option called Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it, and there you'll be finding Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it again, and select your Instagram account. Once doing so, if you want to delete your account permanently, select the second option called Delete Account. After that, continue. And after continuing, select the reason why you would like to delete your account. After that, continue again. And after continuing, continue again. And at last, in order to continue, you need to re-enter your password in order to do so. Once you do that and tap on this continue button, you will be logged out of your account and your Instagram account will be in the process of permanent deletion. If you go ahead and reactivate your account within 30 days, it will reactivate. But if you cross the limit of 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So that's how you delete your own account. But if you're trying to go ahead and delete someone else's account, it's a violation of personal things and Instagram community guidelines. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.